you? I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We sure did. I thought what I would give you today is my Christmas kitchen home tour, just the kitchen part. So as you all know, I've decorated it in the gingerbread theme to match my candy tree, which is off here to the right of my kitchen. So let's start with this little tour. Now, right here is a sign that I DIY'd that says Candy Canes 25 cents. It came from Target's Dollar Spot last year. And I just had my husband cut me some wood and I painted it and put glitter on it. And you can see the glitter flashing. I love it. Then I picked up this little nutcracker in the candy theme, gingerbread theme, and I put him right beside of it. And I picked up that little bowl at TJ Maxx and I just put little Debbie's in it. I think it is so sweet and darling. It's just so happy to look at. And I've grounded it with some greenery that I picked up, I think at Michael's, that just looks real icy and cold. Then we'll move over here, and then here's my little DIY gingerbread tree I made that you watched me make. And if you want to see any of these DIYs, I'll list my Christmas playlist behind this and you can watch them. The newer ones will be towards the bottom, but I think that turned out adorable. And then these are my little candy jars that I DIY'd several years ago, and they're just so whimsical and happy. I love them. They're Dollar Tree figurines, jars, and candle holders. So that's how this looks. I think it is really pretty. And by waiting till after dark, you can get a better view of my kitchen window. I got those two figurines at Hobby Lobby this year when they were on sale. And that sign, North Pole, I really don't remember. Probably Hobby Lobby, but I don't know, a couple years ago. And then those are just Target Dollar Spot trees. But I love how that all just blends in and looks, it just looks so festive. All right, and then here's a little container that I keep my hand soap in that I picked up at Bath and Body Works, and I love it. It's just a little gingerbread house. And then I found this. This is a really cute find I found at Michael's. It was 50% off, and I love that nutcracker. He just looks like he's guarding my sleigh, which has little Debbie's in it. And the sleigh came from Target's Dollar Spot a couple years ago. So you can really decorate your house inexpensively. And now this, I think, is my favorite corner. It is a house, a little gingerbread house from Hobby Lobby that I got on sale. And I just think it is so magical and beautiful with all that glitter and faux candy. It really adds a lot to your gingerbread decor. And I picked up that little gingerbread man on the left at Hobby Lobby as well. And then that little tree just came from Walmart as an ornament. And then that's another little nutcracker that I picked up at Michael's 50% off, and I love them. Then if you pan around this way, I just have Christmas blend hot cocoa served here. And I'll probably put something above that, but I haven't just yet. And that came from Target's Dollar Spot last year or year before. And then I always have my little straws here at our little drink station and my napkins. And these mugs came from Hobby Lobby as well, and I love them. And then I just picked up the second little bowl. They were like 2 for $5, I think, or something like that at Target. And I just put that chai latte in there because we love it. And then those little plates, it's the most wonderful time of the year. I picked that up several years ago at Target's Dollar Spot. So you can see this is sort of like our one-stop shop right here for our drinks and our little sweets, okay? Then if you come here, this is what I put on the front of my refrigerator this year. They're little gingerbread clings, and I picked those up at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't pay much at all for these. But they're so festive and they go very nicely with the gingerbread theme. Now if you look up here, I love this. That's where I put my candy gingerbread tree. And I picked that up at TJ Maxx this year, this little gingerbread guy that you can put crackers and cheese on. And then this came from Target's Dollar Spot, the little light up candy sign. I picked that up back in the summer sometime, and I knew I wanted to hold it, so when I did my gingerbread kitchen, and I just covered the bottom of it with a ribbon to match the candy theme, and put it with a bag. My husband made me some blocks and I put it in that bag, and I just love how that looks. I'll step back so you can sort of see, but that's how all that looks over through here. It's just so festive. Then right there is my gingerbread wreath that I made. I really do love how that looks. And that mint candy is the same ribbon that's around the little light up candy on my refrigerator. But I love that wreath, and these ornaments all came from Walmart. Okay, then if you look right here, here's my gingerbread house I made, and it has straws around it, and my trees that I made. I love them. I think they are so festive. It's a really happy place to be in the kitchen, and I love to bake and cook, so it really is fun to be in here. And I've grounded it with greenery, but let me move up close so you can see everything. And I really love that pom-pom tree, and I think I'm going to put a bigger, brighter collared one on top. Then if you look right here, there's my gingerbread bakery sign. I love that. That came from Hobby Lobby. And then right here are my little tea towels, gingerbread, sugar and spice, and then tells what all's on him. And then right here, I've had this, so I didn't want to get rid of it. I'm Red Truck obsessed. So that's what that is. And then right here, this I picked up. Now the little diner came from Hobby Lobby, but these trees, you got 3 trees from QVC. I ordered those, and then you got a separate order, these 4 people, and I ordered them. The trees light up. Let me turn these lights off, and you might be able to see. With all the lights I have on, it's kind of hard to see, but they're so pretty. I love them. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you. Now I have a DIY that I'm going to be doing for right there. But until I get that done, I wanted to go ahead and show you my kitchen Christmas tour, because I wanted, in case you're decorating and you don't know what to do with your kitchen, maybe you could use some of these ideas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.